Assalamu alaikum. I am Sidra Yusuf, teacher of class Nursery. Here I am teaching you the subject of general knowledge. The subject of general knowledge. The knowledge which we have to know, must know about ourselves. Must know about ourselves. Today our topic is my family. Today our topic is my family. If someone asks you, do you know about your family? Then you have to know about your family. So today we will learn how we will tell other about our family. Okay? Here is question number 1, which is, what is the name of your father? What is the name of your father? If someone asks you, what is the name of your father? What you will reply? You will reply with your father name. My father name is, suppose for example, my father name is Sayyid Zafar Suhail. Sayyid Zafar Suhail. What's your father name is? You will put here your father name. Okay. Now move towards the question number 2. What is the name of your mother? What is the name of your mother? My mother name is Bushra Bukhari. My mother name is Bushra Bukhari. What's your mother name? Is that Sidra? Is that Ikra? Is that Noor? You have to put here your mother name. If someone asks you, what's your mother name? You have to know about this. Very good. This is very interesting. I hope you are enjoying this learning. Now move towards the question number 3. How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have 1 brother and 5 sisters. How many brothers and sisters do you have? You have to put here. Suppose you have 2 brothers, you will put here 2 brothers, and if you have the 3 sisters, you will put here 3 sisters. Come on, put here your brother and sisters. Okay. Now move towards the question number 4, and the topic is, keep it, remember, my family. Very interesting topic. What's the name of your grandfather? What's the name of your grandfather? My grandfather name is Sayyid Ashraf Gilani. My grandfather name is Sayyid Ashraf Gilani. What's your grandfather name is? Is that Sayyid Mustafa Hussain? Is that Sayyid Khub Ali? What's your grandfather name? Put here your grandfather name. Very good. Everybody likes the grandfather more. I like 2. Now move towards the question number 5. What is the name of your grandmother? What is the name of your grandmother? My grandmother name is Sayyida Arshad Bukhari. Sayyida Arshad Bukhari. What's your grandmother name is? Everybody like their grandmothers. They are very good. They are very loving and lovely, and we also used to listen the stories and very used to have their love. So put here your lovely grandmother name. Okay, what's that? Put here. Now move towards the question number 6. How many members are there in your family? How many members are there in your family? How many members are in your family? I have 6 members in my family. How many members are in your family? You have to put here. Come on, let's go and count the members of your family and your house and put here your family members. It is very interesting and very loving topic, which is my family. So hope you people really very enjoy this topic. I enjoyed too. Thank you.